How to make your private server public on Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, you can make your private servers public on Roblox by just adjusting the server settings. This can allow others to join. So for this, first and foremost, open your Roblox and then log in using your credentials. Once you have logged in into your Roblox account, navigate to the game where your private server is set up. Once you have created your private servers, you will see the option to configure. In order to configure, tap on the three dots right next to the game title and then tap on Configure this experience or Configure place option. Tapping on the configure button should take you to another page from where you can make adjustments into the server. First and foremost, make sure to toggle on the option of allow joining and then tick on allow friends. Once this is done, you can generate your private server's link and send it to different friends. This way, some games may allow you to toggle settings to invite friends and make the server accessible to anyone with the link as well. After this, click on save to confirm the changes and now others can join your private server. This way, more players are allowed to join your server without restricting any access. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.